Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to turn off warning apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recent, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, you can see that here we've got the recent, and basically if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just swipe that up. But if you want to close all of them, tap on the trash bin icon. Of course, we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent apps, which simply means that we just successfully closed all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.